icon Mirabai Chanu on Saturday won a silver medal in the women's 49 kg weightlifting competition to open India's counter at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. The Manipur athlete lifted a total weight of 202 kgs to win the medal. The gold in the event was won by China's Hou Jihui with a combined weight total of 210 kgs. Chanu picked a total of 87 kgs in the snatch part of the event and ended with a lift of 115 kgs in clean and jerk. She is the second Indian weightlifter after Karnam Malleswari to win an Olympic medal. Chanu has been a world champion in the past when she won the gold medal in the 48 kg category in Anaheim. She is the reigning Commonwealth Games gold medalist in the 48 kg category. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju expressed happiness over Mirabai Chanu's win and stated that he was super excited as Chanu has won the first medal for India on the first day of the Tokyo Olympics. Manipur Sports Minister Leptau Haukip, MLATH Radhesham, Manipur BJP President Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi also held Mirabai Chanu's silver in the Tokyo Games and expressed happiness at the youngster's feat.
Today is a great day for we all Indians. As one of the athletes who is a part of the Indian contingent for the Tokyo Olympic has won the first medal in the 49 kg weightlifting category. Mirabai Chanu, who belongs to Manipur, has won the first medal, that is silver medal in 49 kg weight category. We are very proud and really congratulate Mirabai Chanu, and we also express wish and hope that more and more medals would be won by Indian contingent, and we once more wish all of them the best. Thank you.
Tokyo da pangthoiba Olympics siga mari lenana kogi Manipur dagi sanaroi manga koi hariba Olympic asida saru yanana ba sakhi bagi masingi manungda kogi ihan hanboina nasisi S Mirabai Chanu na kogi 49 kg gi weightlifting gi adumba silver gi mana lawkiba sida hainingai leitana aikoina harau tayamba nungaiba adumba phongdokchari maramdi aikoi Manipur bu sakta pada natana Bharat pumbasi aikoi gi masakta iba Manipur gi maitai chanu singi manungda masi Mirabai su adugumba aikoi Bharat bu sakta pa adugumba aikoi gi Manipur imagi mamong ama oina
ngasi Manipur gi amadi Bharat ki mahut sindana Tokyo Olympic ta Mirabai Chanu na silver medal purakpagi damakta Manipur ki sarkar amadi egi on behalf tagi Manipur ki praja mahut silaga nungaiba amadi harauba phongdokchari.
The Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur has announced the class 12 results today. The results have been declared on the basis of alternative assessment criteria as the Manipur class 12 exams were cancelled considering the second wave of the COVID pandemic. Initially scheduled to start from May 5, the Manipur class 12 exams were first postponed and later on June were altogether cancelled. As the board exams were cancelled due to the COVID situation and the Supreme Court guideline to declare the results by July 31 has made several boards to declare results in a time-bound manner. Results of 31,074 candidates were declared by COSAM today. Lairenjam Bizen Singh, a staff reporter of Imphal Times, succumbed to COVID-19. The 46-year-old journalist died at 9:45 p.m. yesterday at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal. Bizen, a resident of Sagol Bantera, Sapam Larak in Imphal West, is survived by his wife and a daughter. He joined Imphal Times, an evening English newspaper, in 2016. He was hospitalized on July 19 at RIMS after he was infected with COVID-19. He is the fourth journalist in the state to die due to coronavirus. Earlier, Thotsang Saija, aged 46 years, a senior reporter based in Ukhrul district of Manipur, died in the June last. Over 500 journalists have died due to pandemic so far in India. The Congress President has appointed Loken Singh, Senior Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC), as the interim president of the party with immediate effect till a full-time president is appointed. In this regard, K.C. Benugopal, General Secretary AICC, issued a notice. Dr. Raj Kumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State, Ministry of Education and Ministry of External Affairs, today launched IGNOU's online postgraduate diploma in sustainability science. The PG diploma program is launched by the School of Interdisciplinary and Transdisciplinary Studies of IGNOU. It is being offered through online mode. R.K. Ranjan, in his address, referred to the UN 2030 Sustainable Development Goals and said that the launch of this program augments the work needed to be done for achieving the milestones set by environmental restoration for future. He complimented IGNOU for launching this program and said that the skills required for the environment sector will also generate employment and is in consonance with the new education policy. The other luminaries spoke of the multidisciplinary and transdisciplinary approach of the program and the need to internationalize sustainability awareness and for the education is critical. They also advocated sustainability integrated decision making by the governments and ethical approach to stop finite resources fast degradation. They also self-sharing of data knowledge for sustainable development and green growth.